Hi friends, welcome to English class. Abbreviations and acronyms. 11th English Lexicals Unit 2 Tamil Nadu Samachir Kalvi. Abbreviations refers to any shortened or contracted form of a word or phrase. It is formed from the first letters of a series of words. It can be pronounced as a letter. For example, USA. It refers to America. The full form of USA is United States of America. Write the expanded forms of the following abbreviations we commonly come across in our daily lives. IELTS. The full form of IELTS is International English Language Testing System. IELTS is for anyone who wants to migrate, study, or work abroad. GST. The full form of GST is Goods and Services Tax. GST is a value added tax levied on most goods and services sold for domestic consumption. TNPSC. The full form of TNPSC is Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. TNPSC is a government organization with its headquarters in Chennai. The main role of this commission is to provide recruitment to candidates for various posts under the organization. STD. The full form of STD is Subscriber Trunk Dialing. STD is used to allow subscriber to dial trunk calls for a long distance outside a particular boundary without operator assistance. ISD. The full form of ISD is International Subscriber Dialing. ISD is used in the telephone system. They allow subscribers to dial trunk calls without operator assistance through trunk lines. MBA. The full form of MBA is Master of Business Administration. MBA is an internationally recognized postgraduate program that equips its students with the necessary skills to make a career in business and management. MHRD. The full form of MHRD is Ministry of Human Resource Development. MHRD is an Indian government ministry responsible for the development of human resources. GPS. The full form of GPS is Global Positioning System. GPS tells you where you are on Earth. NSS. The full form of NSS is National Service Scheme. NSS is a public service sponsored by Government of India and is under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. PTA. The full form of PTA is Parents Teachers Association. PTA is a school association run by some of the parents and teachers to discuss matters that affect the children and to organize events to raise money. NGO. The full form of NGO is non-governmental organization. NGO is a non-profit group that functions independently of any government. ICU. The full form of ICU is Intensive Care Unit. ICU is a special department of a hospital or healthcare facility that provides intensive care medicine. IIM. The full form of IIM is Indian Institute of Management. IIMs are a group of 20 public autonomous institute of management education and research in India. MRI. The full form of MRI is magnetic resonance imaging. MRI scans produce detailed images of the organs and tissues in the body. ECG. The full form of ECG is electrocardiograph. An ECG records the electrical activity of your heart at rest. It provides information about your heart rate. NCC. The full form of NCC is National Cadet Corps. The National Cadet Corps in India is a voluntary organization which recruits cadets from high schools, colleges, and universities all over India. The cadets are given basic military training in small arms and parades. LED. The full form of LED is light emitting diode. LED is a semiconductor device that emits visible light when an electric current passes through it. CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU is a principal part of any digital computer system, generally composed of the main memory, control unit, and arithmetic logic unit. CBSE. The full form of CBSE is Central Board of Secondary Education. CBSE is an Indian national level education board for private and public schools. GDP. The full form of GDP is Gross Domestic Product. GDP is the final value of goods and services produced within the geographic boundaries of a country. LCD. The full form of LCD is Liquid Crystal Display. LCD is a flat panel display system that is primarily seen in television. NRI. The full form of NRI is Non-Resident Indian. An NRI is an Indian-born citizen who has emigrated to some other country. IIT. The full form of IIT is Indian Institute of Technology. IITs are autonomous public technical universities located across India. ITI. The full form of ITI is Industrial Training Institute. IIT provides training in engineering and non-engineering technical fields. USB. The full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus. The definition of acronyms. Acronyms is a type of abbreviation. It can be pronounced as a word. It is formed from the initial letters of a series of words. For example, WHO. The full form of WHO is World Health Organization. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.